Hey guys, Zakir here. So inside this video, I'm going to show you how to create a similar deal to this deal here on Groupon.com or .co.uk. So what I've done so far in the background is actually, got most of the information needed. So I'm just going to repeat what I've done. So you can see here, this is the deal. Just going to paste the information in here. And go back here and just copy the headline. So you can have the sub headlines, you can have content headline, and then you can have information about the deal. So this is the deal. To give you this information here. Let's just make sure so everything's pasted. Now you do have the option to put a deal image if you wanted to. So what I've done is use another tool that I've used in my business. So you can see here it's the FBK graphic suite. Basically, it allows you to create different images or graphics for any promotion that you want to do. So you can see here cover image, profile image, tab image, post image, milestone, fan gate, ad, and custom size. Now I like the custom size. Basically, you can create images that you can use on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, of course. Where else? LinkedIn. Even on when you create a blog post, because you see a lot of people on Facebook, they started doing this, posting images. And a cool example of this, whenever socialmediaexaminer.com posts an image, they create graphics. Now of course they have an inside graphic designer, but imagine how much that will cost if you have to pay for that every single time you want to post with a graphic. So what I've done is created that graphic, as you can see here. Now you do have the option between text, background image, border image, graphics, shapes, and then you have templates, so if you don't want to create your image. So basically I'm just going to upload that image. So I've created that image here, uploaded that image. So and then you choose the price. So from the Groupon deal you can see that they can choose from the different options. So I'm just going to do with the low one, so 24 and the 750 people, $50. So normal price is 50, and then they can pay 24. Again, you can choose your country code or country currency, and then you have the option to do PayPal. So I'm just going to put my PayPal address and then send people to paypal.com. Again, you can choose your URL if you have one when you create a URL, your payment URL, and then you choose the localization, and then when does deal expire, which is very important. You want to create some scarcity. So for example, I'll leave it as April 30th and just put it at midnight or 59. So click done. So this is when the deal expires. Now you do have the option here to upload a header image. You can create another header image if you want to. You can just leave it as the default. I'm going to choose red. Red and yellow is when people see that, they see sale. So that's the default. And you do have the option to include a this Facebook URL. I'm going to show you in a second where you can get that. Basically, this is your tab URL. And you have the option again to have wall permission or fan gate. Like when someone shares it, it shows the image. But I'm not going to do it in this video. Now I'm going to show you where you can get the Apple ID. You need to create a developer's license, which I've done in the background, and then you can enter in your autoresponder, so that way you can build an email list and start to send them about more deals and information about your business or product. And then you have the option to do terms and condition policy. You can use your tracking code. You can enter in your privacy policy and then your main content. So I'm just going to get some more information here from the website. So I believe this. So I'm going to copy this and just paste that in. And then what you do when this image expires, you can put like sorry you missed this deal, and then the link, they can go to your spot. You can create an expire page, or they can go to wherever you want to send them. So and put just sorry you missed it, or you can put whatever you want. And then you have the option to choose from different languages, or you can type in your language, or how you want it to be done. So what I basically need to do is create the Apple ID. So what I've done is on the back end went to the developer section and created an app as a test app. So I'm just going to copy the Apple ID and then go back here to paste that in, and then show ID. So let me just enter my password, and then show the app secret. So copy and paste that in. let me just save this. Alright, so once you save it, you have the option to click on this add to FB, and you can click on preview and see how it would look. So if you wanted to see how it would look before you send it, now you can always add videos. I like to add videos inside of my my thing, so it showcases people what they can do and how they can use it. So you can see they're creating a similar deal to Groupon and gives a scarcity option. So it gives people, okay, this deal expires in 12 days, 20 hours, 48 seconds. It's like 48 minutes and 26 seconds. And it gives them more information about the deal, and they can choose from 3 options. And I didn't copy the 3 options, but they can choose from 3 options. They can go to the page. You can find out more about events. So I think this, what I need to do here is just go back to this. I'll edit that in a second, but I'll go back to this and change up some of the information. So instead of this being up top, I'll leave this deal here. Actually, I'll copy this stuff information below and then put this deal on the top, so the fine print. Okay, so what you do now is go back here, and this one you just need to make sure. Sometimes it works and it doesn't work. This is the Facebook error because this is the website. I'll just click save. Find the save button. If I can find the save button. What I need to do is add a tab. So as you can see here, this is the tab name. So sorry, tab URL. I put it in tab name in the wrong place. So tab name is this. You have the secure page tab and the. So what I'm going to do is just get the secure page tab. So I'm going to go back to the application, add to Facebook, and then you can see here secure canvas URL, secure page tab. So I'm just going to save that. So I copy this, go back to Facebook, paste that in, click save, and then one more thing, I think a few more things I need to do. Just click website, and then you have the option to secure your website on site URL. The site URL is one second. So site URL is http www. You can put your website address here. In this case, I'm just going to put socialdeal.com and then click save. And there's a few other things here. So you need to click on status. You need to make this live and then click confirm. So now it's live. You can see it's green. And then leave one more thing. So if you do have a privacy policy, you need to put that in here. So I'll just put that just one of Facebook rules. If you want to have an app, you need to have a privacy policy. So privacy excuse me, and just click save. So that's saved. Just going to double check, make sure everything's set. So that's alright. And the dashboard. Yep, so everything looks good. What you need to do now is go back to Facebook. So you click on add to tab. And now you need to find the Facebook tab that you want to add it to. I'm going to look for VIP deals. So most likely it's on the bottom. So VIP deals. And click add to tab. Now you want to make note of this tab URL. So what I'm going to do is click on VIP deals, or type it in the search, so VIP deals, and find it. There we go. And then look for, on the left hand side, you can see here it says social deals. Now you do have the option if you wanted to add an image. So I'm going to click on that, social deals. And this is the URL, so you copy this URL here. So you can see here, this is the app. And it's inside of Facebook, so you can start directing traffic or people to that. And again, you can create their banner or the header image if you wanted to. So I'm going to go back here to the application. I'm going to click on dashboard again. I'm going to click on edit this application. So you're going to scroll down, and where you can see the app URL, you're going to paste that in Facebook. So you're going to paste that in there and just click save, But before I do that, again, I said I was going to change up some stuff. So I'm going to copy this deal and just make some room. Paste that in there and just delete some of this information so you can't view. So it's alright. So and just click save, and then I'll refresh the page. Oh, the deal. Is the deal name again? So go back here and click this. Don't know how that got erased. So click save. Make sure everything's cool. Now again, you do have the option to add a header. So if you didn't like the way this header looks, you can create a custom header. And let me just refresh the page. And there you go. And this is your deal. So if you wanted to promote your deal inside of Facebook, again, I like to add a video here so that people can see the video, and then give the link. So if they click on this to buy, so we can say buy now, they click buy, and this will take them to PayPal or whatever URL that you created. So you can see it takes them to PayPal. It's already set up for you, so then they can pay you, so you receive your money, and you start to earn some income from promoting stuff on Facebook, so that way you generate some income online and offline. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy that. Again, it's a quick little video. No, it's not too quick, but this is the steps you need to take, and if you want to have like a similar Groupon offer inside of Facebook, and if you want to just click on the link below this video, you can get access to this particular software for 1 year